machine scrunchies though, or not just an ordinary scrunchie. They hold.
I know.
Like, that's what I love about them. I was kind of surprised.
Hi everyone, it's me Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. And we have a special guest again today, my sister Iris.
Hello.
You probably remember her from our Coach bag reviews, which I will link down below. So today we are actually back with an unboxing video, and we are going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun summer box for 2020. So I'm so excited. I haven't seen any type of coverage for the box yet. I haven't seen any videos on it. So
have you done an unboxing before?
Not a Fabfitfun.
Oh.
I haven't really done an unboxing on this channel yet, so we will do the first one.
That makes two of us.
So this box is a quarterly subscription, which means you will be getting a box every season. One for winter, one for spring, one for summer, and one for fall. This is what the box looks like. It's beautiful. It has very tropical graphic designs on it and looks very summery. And in the corner of the box, it actually says in support of Special Olympics. So that is really great.
So is this the type of thing where you already know what's in the box, or is it like a surprise?
Okay, so basically with Fabfitfun, you have the option to choose some items that you definitely want in your box, I believe. And also you have the option to add on extra items that don't come in the box. And of course you pay extra for that. So let's open this. So I can't really see.
First we have this Fabfitfun magazine.
Yes, this is the magazine. And then the first thing I see is the inside of the box, and it is a beautiful blue color with leaves. So pretty. I loved the spring box, and that was my first box that I got. So the first thing that we see is we actually have a $90 off coupon for Green Chef plus free shipping. Oh, this is actually really cool.
I've never heard of Green Chef.
Meal plans made for your lifestyle. That's really cool. We will probably use this because we've been eating like garbage recently. So this might actually be a good thing to look into.
The quarantine blues.
Yeah. Then they also gave us a 20% off for Our Place kitchen essentials. So that's another coupon.
Sweet.
And then I see a coupon for $50. Oh, this is a $50
Discover
credit.
wine you love. I'm there. That's like a me gift card.
So already you got a credit, you have a 90% off, $90 off, and you have another coupon. So
already I'm hungry.
That's the first thing that you get in the box. We're going to open this, and we're going to take out the first thing. Do you want to choose the first thing to talk about? So, let's see. This is the Spongellé. We can't pronounce anything. This is the, it's a hand cream. It's coconut verbena, infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil.
I could use some of that.
And it's just a hand cream. These are really nice to keep in your purses or to keep by your bedside.
Oh, it's coconut, it said?
Yeah, so coconut verbena. Let's see what it says.
Oh, that smells really good. Ooh.
I'm going to just put the prices, the retail prices for each item somewhere on the screen every time we talk about it. So that is that.
Okay, do you want to pick the next one?
Sure. This is called the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset. It is the phytonutrient facial oil. So that's interesting. It's an anti-wrinkle and restoration cream.
Sweet.
And this is the packaging it comes in. Oh, so it's a little dropper. I've been really into skincare lately, especially anti-aging products. So anything that has anti-aging properties in it, I am definitely up for trying, especially adding more moisture. And I've noticed that even this summer, I feel like my skin's still dry, which is really weird.
I always like to learn about skincare that can add some moisture to the face.
It smells really good. It smells very lemony. It reminds me of something that they put on our faces at the spa.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Ooh,
it's not bad.
That is what that is.
The next one is Yumi and it's a wireless charging pad.
Ooh!
Wireless charging pad.
I could actually really use that.
With a USB charging cord. So that's pretty cool. Nice.
see
What
what
does it
looks-
look like? I want to see.
I hope it's cute. Oh, it's so cute!
It's got this floral print.
The wire is this grayish blue, and then the actual pad
Super
is
cute.
so
what?
pretty.
I like the size too.
Yeah.
How cute is that? Aw.
That's gonna look really cute on my nightstand.
Or on mine.
This is hilarious. So they
Ooh.
gave us
Satin pillow
a
sleeve.
satin pillow sleeve. This is really funny because last night I was actually talking about a satin pillowcase. But this is a sleeve. Silk and satin pillow sheets or pillowcases are really good for your skin and they're really good for your hair. So if you've styled if you sleep with styled hair or you just don't want your hair to frizz, it will basically act as a frizz guard for your hair. It will help reduce fine lines and wrinkles or prevent them actually.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I didn't know this.
Ooh, it's so nice.
Oh, the feel. It's so soft. That feels really,
This
really
is really
soft.
nice. So one side is the satin and then the other side is just a stretchy, I think, polyester material. But it's big enough that I think it can go over like queen size or king size pillowcases.
It's like
This is
some jersey
nice.
material.
And it just slips over, so there's no closure to it.
Like all my past relationships. The next one is Winky Lux. Ooh, I've heard of them.
I've used Winky Lux before. a long time
Unibrow.
ago.
Is this a brow pencil? It's a brow pencil. I'm so into like lately my go-to makeup essential is like filling in my eyebrows. Love that. Oh, this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box.
Once in the box.
When it's in the box. What color is it? We'll see. It's universal brow pencil and it's
This is the product. I'm a real beauty YouTuber. Nice. We'll see how this works. Okay. Wow, there's more in here. The next thing that I'm pulling out looks like a beauty sponge.
Okay, that makes me happy because Jacqueline has lately been teaching me the art of a beauty sponge.
Yeah, I gave her a beauty blender. This is from Makeup Drop. You really don't need directions because it's like a beauty blender, beauty sponge type of thing. There's a lot of stuff in this box.
Yeah.
Okay, so then the next thing, ooh.
COOLA.
It's called COOLA Mineral Face Sunscreen with a matte finish. Sheer, non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and plant protection. Broad spectrum, SPF 30. Water-resistant. Wow.
This is a
And
pretty
it's-
sweet package.
It's 70% organic also. So this is the box. You always want to, especially in the summer, but all year round, you always want to put a sunscreen on your face. I know it's not that great for pictures, but it doesn't even really smell like anything. It just blends in. It's just sunscreen. It's a scentless sunscreen, which is good because I don't always love the sunscreen smell, especially putting it on my face. And it really does not feel that greasy.
Yeah, it does say fast absorbing, so. Last but not least, we have Issac Mizrahi. We got a little box. It's really cute. It's a
I think it's
ceramic
a
vase.
vase, whatever. Interesting.
A little vase. Aw. Aw, that's so cute. I'm definitely gonna put it in my room. Cute
It's
as
really
that.
adorable. So it's like the clay ceramic, and then it has the glossy finish over top of it. It's so pretty.
Snatching. Aw, how cute. It's so lightweight. Now all I
Pretty
need are
flowers.
flowers.
Oh look, it matches with my flowers in my room.
Have fun holding on to that for half a day. Oh, how cute. It's gonna just look so cute in my room. She whines like a 3-year-old baby. Okay, baby girl.
I think that the variety was really well selected. And with Fabfitfun, you get full-size products, which is always amazing. And just one of these full-size products is about half the price of your entire box or more.
I think I really like the box. I think that it was a very nice variety. They had, your skincare, your makeup, a cute vase to put some fresh flowers.
So that is everything for this video. I really hope that you guys liked this, and let me know down below if you've tried Fabfitfun before and what your thoughts are about it. Obviously, we both really love it. Also, down below in the description, I will be sharing a link so that you guys could get your first box for $10 off. So if you guys enjoy this video, then don't forget to leave a like down below and a comment to let me know what you guys think about this box and what you guys received in your Fabfitfun box for the summer. And subscribe if you're not already. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Until then.
Bye!
Bye.